our new session. And today we are with Manav. Manav has just secured rank 2 in DSE with a brilliant score. And heartiest congratulations, Manav. It's still early days for you to, sink in. And he's an engineer. He's coming from an engineering background, and he's done this. So Manav, great feat, a great inspiration to people who are coming from non-eco backgrounds, to be doing this. So let's, dive right away into how has your journey been? Like, how did you start? And what did you start with? Like, let's go to the beginning of your journey. What did you start with?
I already know a major part of maths.
Yeah.
But optimization was something that I really focused upon. Optimization and real analysis. So I used to watch videos on YouTube for that.
Okay. All right. So what would you suggest that we were just talking that, how maths is such a big part. So somebody who's starting completely afresh, you would recommend कि थोड़ा maths पे concentrate करो, मतलब eco पढ़ने से भी पहले थोड़ी maths अपनी strong कर ले, like, differentiation, logs, थोड़ा ये सब आना चाहिए before they actually start with things.
Yes, ma'am. I would definitely recommend that. Maths is a major portion.
Yeah.
For that also for college like DSE and ISI.
Yeah.
Like it is quant heavy, the courses which they are offering.
Absolutely.
So I think definitely that maths should be the major focus in the starting phase only.
Yeah.
After maths, stat should be the second thing that we should focus, because Ecotrix is all about stat. If your basics are not strong in stat, Ecotrix is also not, like, you're not able to grasp the concept of Ecotrix.
Absolutely. And like you were saying that जब आपने पढ़ाई की, so it was not just कि मुझे DSE जाना है, it was also कि मुझे subject समझना है. And because of that attitude, I'm sure you understood the concept very well, and you focused on कि मुझे समझना है concept क्या है, and उसके बाद when a variation also of that concept would come, it would not be a challenge for you because you've actually made sure that you get it, you get what the topic is trying to say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I remember when I started in October in 2020, GATE has it has reduced its eligibility from 4th year to 3rd year, and it has also introduced an additional paper of economics.
Right.
So so I decided that I will be giving GATE that year in 2021.
Okay.
So that year I gave GATE, and I secured all India rank of 47 in that in my first attempt.
Oh.
So I was pretty confident about after that yes, I can do this, and I will be pursuing further my preparation.
So even but GATE that time GATE के through and कोई admission नहीं होता था.
No. Only for PhD it was used.
Yeah. But it was a great confidence booster. The first time you're entering an economics field.
Yes, ma'am. That was a confidence booster for me.
Yeah.
And in the coming year, IIT JAM was also introduced.
Yes.
Then I gave IIT JAM in 2020 this year, and in that I scored all India rank 16.
16.
Year. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, but you didn't. Did you join IIT?
Yeah, ma'am. I have spent whole semester at IIT Roorkee.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So you've thoda been inside economics now. If you had spent a whole semester, because I've heard that at Roorkee they start with the basics, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Did that experience kind of help you? Doing economics from there.
Ma'am, I would say we already discussed that it was first semester and they are teaching basic stuffs whatever there is already in the syllabus of undergraduation.
Yeah.
But the thing that really I have to juggle was I have to attend classes also, and I have to prepare for DSE also. That 3 months I was there, I remember I used to go to classes. I have to really fasten up things and sit there and prepare for the exam.
So how did you manage your time? Because MA economics is not easy, whether you do it from DSE or you do it from IIT. The course structure itself is very rigorous. I don't know how rigorous is first semester at IIT, but in general, MA economics is a very rigorous course. So did you have a specific schedule कि कैसे time manage करना है?
Ma'am, like in IIT, the first semester is pretty like what we have already what the syllabus is of undergraduation. So it is
Hmm.
not that rigorous. But I used to attend classes.
Hmm.
Like classes used to be till 1, and I used to like start my study from 3 p.m. Till 3 to 7 I used to study. Then at night also from 10 to 12 I used to take out time for DSC.
Wow. So you should religiously study for 5 hours every day. 3 to 7,
Yeah.
matlab 6 hours हो गए. 3 to 7 and then 10 to 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in Turkey you were there. Physical क्योंकि physical होगा ना आपका तो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you must be there and studying. Okay. So that was quite a lot of work for you that time. ठीक है, सब
Yes, ma'am.
डीएससी में काम आएगा क्योंकि डीएससी बहुत डीएससी आईआईटी जितना इजी नहीं है. इट्स वेरी हार्ड स्पेशली फॉर यू ऑल बिकॉज
Yes,
आपका सेमेस्टर बहुत लेट चालू हो रहा है तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट स्क्वीज टुगेदर. तो
yes, ma'am.
good. Because I like people like me when we entered TSE, तब we were not prepared for the semester system at all. हम लोग आराम से ड्यू में पढ़ के 1 साल बाद एग्जाम देते थे. अभी एकदम
Okay.
सेमेस्टर आ गया and a lot of syllabus is done, so it really hits you initially. So you are a little kind of prepared. Okay, so IIT में आपने semester दिया, you were juggling continuously, and then
Yes.
फिर did you get any मतलब before the exam DSE delay होता गया कब हो रहा है नहीं पता था. It was very difficult to keep that focus कि हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
DSE करना है क्योंकि DSE होगा कब यही नहीं पता है. तो
Yes, ma'am. बहुत uncertainty थी उस time पे.
yeah.
I remember in second month also there was a fake news rumor also, like a fake notice was published by someone that the DSC is going to happen in August, and I was like, I'm not prepared right now.
Okay.
I remember that day.
with the वही that's what I want to know. You're already in IIT. कैसे focus रखा because DSE का तो date का ही नहीं पता था. Nobody knew कब देना है एग्जाम, कब announcement आएगी. Announcement भी नहीं थी कि चलो इस time होगा. So DSE was a very hard paper to keep your focus on.
Ma'am, like I have already done my basics, so I was only doing the revision part. So in that time, I used to do my previous years. Like
Okay.
there were many iterations of previous year question papers
Yeah.
from 2004 to 2021.
Hmm.
So I used to do like, for example, one paper is there. If I'm not able, I used to do one paper. If and then I used to choose question which I'm not able to do in one go.
Hmm.
So I used to bookmark those questions in my Word, and by this, I had a whole PDF in which all questions are there, which I'm not able to do in my first iteration. In जैसे जैसे टाइम जाता गया, मैंने बहुत सारी इटरेशंस की ऐसे. तो earlier I had a PDF of 10 pages. This had reduced to two pages of
Wow.
that
And ये
of
सब
those.
खुद से हुआ फिर क्योंकि आप करते गए ट्राई.
Yes, yes,
Wow, that is amazing. I think that is amazing. That is, I think, one secret for your success, right there. That
yes,
whatever you didn't know, you kept trying on your own only. And I'm sure एक बार में नहीं हुआ होगे. एक question आपसे
yes,
नहीं हुआ, वो 2-3 बार try करते फिर हुआ होगा. And did you also go
yes.
back to the theory, like to the books कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, तो let me read again or watch something again. What am I missing?
Ma'am, that was in the first iteration. After that, my concept was like they are okay. I only have to do questions.
ओके मेरा भी यही एटीट्यूड होता था. एक बार मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ लिया फिर मुझे लगता था कि अब मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट आता है, अब एप्लीकेशन पे ध्यान दो कि अब
Yes,
इसको
ma'am.
अप्लाई
Yes.
कैसे करना है. कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया बस.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how even I study. Okay, great, Manav. I think that's great. That's a great thing.